I want to challenge something you've probably been told about starting a YouTube channel. The idea that you need a camera, that you need to be comfortable on screen, that you need a studio, a setup, a certain kind of confidence. In 2026, every single one of those barriers is gone. And I'm going to prove it to you right now by showing you exactly how I built a channel that made $57,000 in its first monetized month. I have never once appeared on camera. If you've been putting off starting a YouTube channel because of the camera thing, this video is the one you've been waiting for. I'm going to walk you through the exact process, step by step. Let me be direct with you. The version of YouTube that required cameras and charisma and professional equipment, that version ended. AI changed everything. Right now, there are thousands of YouTube channels growing fast, some of them making serious money, where the creator is an AI avatar, where the voice is cloned or generated, where the entire production happens on a laptop, no camera required. If you've been waiting to start because you don't want to be on camera, the wait is over. The tools exist, the proof exists, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to build this from scratch. Here's the proof I promised you. In October 2024, my first fully monetized month, my Faceless AI YouTube channel generated $57,053, $9,835 from YouTube AdSense, $47,218 from affiliate commissions. I have never appeared on camera. My audience watches a digital avatar I created in a tool called HeyGen. I've now walked 3 other people through this exact process. Different niches, different avatars. Same system, same results. I'm not sharing this to brag. I'm sharing this because I know there are people watching this video who have real knowledge in finance, healthcare, real estate, law, trades, business, and the only thing stopping them from sharing it on YouTube is the camera. That barrier is gone. Let me show you how. Step 1. Choose your niche. I want you to think about your niche differently than most YouTube advice tells you to. Don't ask, what am I interested in? Ask, what do I know better than most people? And what are people on YouTube actively searching for that I could answer? The tool I use for this is vidIQ. You type in a topic, it tells you how many people search for that keyword every month and how much competition exists. You're looking for keywords with high search volume and competition that isn't maxed out. That's the gap where a new channel can actually rank and get found. Some of the highest opportunity faceless YouTube channel ideas right now: personal finance, mortgage and real estate, AI tools and automation, healthcare and wellness, legal advice, trades and home improvement. High CPM advertisers, massive search demand. And most of these niches are not yet saturated with quality AI avatar content. Your expertise is probably worth more on YouTube than you've ever been told. Step 2. Build your AI avatar in HeyGen. HeyGen is the tool I use for every video on this channel. Here's how it works. You record a 2 to 3 minute video of yourself speaking. Your phone, natural light. Doesn't need to be a production. Just you, talking naturally for 2 minutes. HeyGen takes that footage and trains an AI model of your face and voice. From that point on, you never need to record again. You write your script. You paste it into HeyGen. Your avatar delivers it. The lip sync is accurate. The delivery is natural. It looks like any other YouTube video. And if you don't want to use your own face at all, HeyGen has stock avatars you can use. So even the 2-minute recording is optional. This is what a faceless YouTube channel actually looks like in 2026. Not voiceover on slides, not an anonymous text channel. A professional AI avatar delivering your knowledge on camera. Step 3. Set up your production workflow. Here's my exact workflow for every video. 1. I use Claude, an AI assistant, to help me research and structure the script. 2. I write the final version, usually 1,500 to 2,500 words for a 10 to 15 minute video. 3. I paste it into HeyGen and let it render. 4. While it renders, I design the thumbnail in Canva. 5. I run the finished video through Submagic for captions. Captions alone increase watch time by 12 to 15%, and watch time is what the algorithm rewards. 6. Final edit in CapCut if needed. Upload. The full tool stack. HeyGen for the avatar, vidIQ for keyword research and SEO, Submagic for captions, CapCut for editing. Total monthly cost? Somewhere between $80 and $150 depending on the plans you choose. And most people make that back from affiliate income before they even hit 1,000 subscribers. If you're watching this and you already know what niche you'd start in, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And I'm genuinely curious what expertise is sitting in this audience right now. Step 4. Set up affiliate income from day one. This is the step most people skip, and it's the one that makes the biggest difference early on. Don't wait for YouTube monetization to start making money. YouTube monetization requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That's a process that takes months. But affiliate income can start before you have a single subscriber. Here's how it works. Join an affiliate program that matches your niche. Place your link in every video description from video 1. When a viewer clicks and takes action, you earn a commission. My first month of monetization, $47,218 of my $57,053 came from affiliate commissions. The AdSense was great, but the affiliate system was the real engine, and it was running from my very first video, long before I hit monetization. If you want my exact affiliate setup and which programs I use, it's all in the 35-minute blueprint linked below. Step 5. Publish consistently and let the algorithm learn. 2 videos per week is the target. YouTube's algorithm needs data to know who to show your videos to. The more you publish, with consistent topics, consistent keywords, consistent audience, the faster it learns. Month 1 will probably be slow. Mine was. Month 2 started moving. Month 3, something clicked. Month 4, monetization approved, and then the income followed. Patience plus consistency is the formula. The AI tools handle the production. You provide the knowledge. You show up. Here's the long view on why this matters. A YouTube channel is a permanent asset. Every video you publish lives on YouTube indefinitely. It gets searched, it gets recommended, it earns, long after you made it. My channel now takes 3 to 5 hours per week to run, and it generates income every single day. I spent 25 years in mortgage and finance. For most of that time, the knowledge in my head helped my clients, and nobody else. YouTube, with AI avatars removing the camera barrier, finally gave me a way to share what I know at scale. And the monetization wasn't luck. It was the natural result of an audience finding content that actually helps them. Whatever you know, you have that same opportunity. The camera was never the barrier, the system was. And now you have the system. The complete step-by-step blueprint is in a 35-minute video I put together specifically for people starting from zero. It covers niche selection, the full HeyGen setup, my exact affiliate strategy, the keyword process, everything, start to finish. It's linked in the description below and pinned in the first comment. Next video, I'm breaking down the exact 3-step YouTube automation system I use to go from $0 to $300 a day, including the specific AI tools and the affiliate strategy in detail. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.